The South 216th Street Bridge over I-5 in SeaTac is getting a glow-up as part of the Puget Sound Gateway Program's SR 509 completion project. The new bridge will add a left turn lane for eastbound traffic, along with new bike lanes and ADA-accessible sidewalks that will make it easier and safer for all people to cross I-5 in this location. How are we building this new bridge? In summer 2022, crews working for WashDOT began building new piers to support the southern half of the new bridge. In June and July of 2023, crews lifted 6 girders onto these piers and began forming a bridge deck for the southern half of the new bridge. Girder placement occurred between midnight and 4 a.m., during which time WashDOT used a crossover lane to funnel traffic safely across the median and into a barrier-separated lane on the opposite side of I-5 from where girders were being placed. Once the southern half of the new bridge is complete in fall 2023, the current South 216th Street Bridge will close. After it's closed, eastbound traffic will cross I-5 using a detour at South 200th Street and another detour via SR 516, while westbound traffic and pedestrians will use the newly built southern half of the bridge. As westbound travelers continue to use the newly built southern half of the 216th Street Bridge between fall 2023 and early 2024, crews will demolish the old bridge, build piers for the northern half of the new bridge, set 10 more girders using the same crossover lane on I-5, and pour the northern bridge deck to complete the bridge. We plan to open the new bridge to people crossing in both directions by summer 2024.